Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of dx over x squared multiplied with square root x squared plus 1. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. In this situation, we need to use integration by substitution. In here, we have s equal to tan t. So we have dx equals to dt over cosine t squared. And we need to change this integral. dx we change to dt over cosine t squared. S we change to tan, so this is about tan t squared. We have the formula. This one is equal to 1 over cosine t squared. Because this one under the square root, so you got about 1 over cosine t. Cosine t, and we have cosine t, so this means they eliminate, and this one change to cosine t. We have the formula. We will use this formula in this situation. And this situation we can get about sine. We have sine t squared in here, and the cosine t on the top one, because cosine t in the denominator, if we divide, they go to the numerator, and then we simplify cosine t in this one. Then we use about integration by substitution. So we got about z equals to sine t. So we have this z equals to cosine t dt. So we have this one change to z squared. Cosine t dt, you change to dz. Z will change to the power of negative 2 dz. And we have z to the power of minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 plus c. And this is about z to the power 2 minus 1. And this is about minus 1. And we got about negative 1 over z plus c. Z we change back to the sine t, and about t we need to change back to the s, and this is about tan s. And this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.